hands up like this. And I must have taken 3 pictures and it said 11:13. I don't remember that. Adrian said you left at 10:30. That's like the last.
Filipino spaghetti.
Almost like past 12 maybe.
I don't remember any of it. I'm sorry if I was being an asshole.
Yes, ma'am.
I do, let's not be, I can't do that.
Not drinking.
I'm
Oh my God. I want some cake. Oh, Nathan, are you still there? Gwapuhan yung kuaning Nathan. Koton, dyan na ako ng itlog ni mo, Nathan. Nathan!
Kuot ko itlog, be. Kuot ko itlog.
Nathan! Koton, dyan na ako ng imuhang itlog. Sige.
Bye, bye.
Bye. Nawa na. Nawa, daghon.
Ako yung gray hair ko.
Ayaw usak ulit ka. Ari usak ka. Ari usak. Bago pa ganitang naabot? Bago pa ganitang Sabak ka dire. Sabak ka dire.
Next month.
Alright, bye. Okay, let's go back. So, this is what I cook. It's gone, you guys. It's gone. What I cook. Ay, ginoo ko! You still have the guys is right here. The young guys right there.
Next time, guys. Ingat.
Take care.
Kita tayo, punta tayo sa kasi. Pag order ka, doon deliver ko sa ting ate. Oh. Ingat kayo, ate.
I don't know. But why? Ikaw lang isa nag-drive dito? Ikaw lang nag-drive dito? Siya? Di na ni mo palita, day? Di ni mo palita, day? Labas.
Maraming itanim dyan.
Usara kabuok na di ay? Why anak ka na day? Bisag usa lang kabuok? Agoroy.
Obe, yan ang pangarap ko. Be, yaw mo na ako. Be, bago man lang ako matsugi.
Ayan.
It's a big story.
It's okay because, you know why? Ate, sisake kami niya. Bigyan mo na ako talent fee. Hi guys.
Yung blouse ko, hindi mo binigay yung blouse ko. Oy, namatay.
Now, we just start that January.